Mga Timbo Vlogs, welcome sa isang namang video bus vlog. Ngayon ano to? July 18, 2024. So ang gagamitin ng bus ngayon ay si bus number 2214 with registration plate number FJU 344. This one will expire on November 10, 2024. Check na natin mga Timbo Vlogs. Check lang naman natin dito is yung mga gulong, tapos yung mga old damages, all good, old damages. Alright. Oh, that one, old damage. Okay. Damage, and this one also all damages. Video 344 and all good, all damages. Alright. Yan. Check muna natin dito sa loob. Baka may nawalang upuan. All good. So, okay. Okay. Check natin yung mga buttons kung working. It's 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 working. Okay. So until next video was vlog. Paalam.